was young, I remember knowing that I'd get away, that I'd leave a town filled with poverty and pain and do something better someday. But seeing the destruction around me and hearing what those big men had done, I felt my heart break for the beautiful place that I now know will always be home. Now they'll dig up the graves and replace them with the grandest thing you've ever seen. But for me, that's the view of the mountains or the fish swimming down a clear stream. But the mountain is lying in ruins, though it's hard to believe, I confess that I prefer the beauty of the place I call home to destruction in the name of progress. I wonder how much money's been made by men seeking fortune untold. They cheat their own family and sell their own soul for money, riches, and gold. And now that they're older, do they see all the life that they've taken away? But they're not the ones choking on coal dust that runs through our streams. They've all returned home with their pay. So they'll dig up the graves and replace them with the grandest thing you've ever seen. But for me, that's the view of the mountains or the fish swimming down a clear stream. But the mountain is lying in ruins, though it's hard to believe, I confess that I prefer the beauty of the place I call home to destruction in the name of progress. Sometimes I wish I could restore every mountain and clear up every spring, but you can never bring back all the lives that were lost. No, it's too late to do such a thing. Oh, and sometimes I just get so angry, wondering how can such things go unseen. And for some there might never be justice, so the rest is left up to you and me. 'Cause they've dug up the graves and replaced them with their money-making machines. But to stand and protect these here mountains, even if it costs everything. Because how many lives have been taken of those fighting for the poor and oppressed, and trying to save what is left of this land from destruction in the name of progress, from destruction in the name